wanted to talk a little bit with you about how to apply your products whenever you're taking care of your AM and PM routines. So a lot of times we just tell you what to use, but maybe we don't necessarily explain how to go about doing that. So one of the things to remember whenever you're putting on your cleanser or your scrub or doing your toner pads is you always want to move in upward movements. So especially on your neck area, you always want to go upward with that. And the reason we want you to do that is because we don't ever want to pull down. Gravity does enough of that for us. So moving upward in small circular motions is always a good tip to keep in mind. Also, when you're applying eye makeup, so you always want to use the ring finger, and the reason being is because the muscle in that particular digit, it's the lightest to tap in with. So you just put a little bit on the tip of the finger, and you're going to tap from the outside circle in. Don't ever pull outwards or rub the eyes really rough because that tissue is very delicate and thin. So always tapping in, so you want to tap that product in really well, and then if your product is safe to use, which ours is, all the way around that ocular area, you can go all the way on the upper lid and the lower lid until you've tapped that product into the skin. Whenever you're applying your toner, don't just stop on your face. Make sure that you are doing that with the neck and the décolleté as well. So again, upward movements. If you're using a pad that's already there, like we have for the ZO Skin Health, for the complexion renewal pads and the oil control pads, it's already got the product on there for you. So you're just using that, you know, everywhere. Again, small circular movements, not being really aggressive with that, and then upwards on the neck. And then the décolleté, still you want to keep those upward movements. If you have a toner that's in a bottle, like our Gentle Toner from ZO Skin Health, I always recommend that people do not use cotton balls or cotton rounds. The reason being is because you end up losing some of that product in there. So one of the tips I try to tell people to help them get the maximum usage out of their product is to go to the store, the pharmacy, they all carry the 4x4s. Cut those into quarters, and then that way you use just a little bit of product and all of it is getting on your skin instead of some of it being lost in the garbage with the cotton rounds.